Hey everybody, I just want to take a minute, come on, show you guys the beautiful nature, that we get to enjoy, that we get to appreciate and everything. So thankful that God created all these beautiful creations that we get to enjoy and just take a time to pause and meditate and pray to our Father in heaven who created this absolute beauty. So thankful for everything He's done in my life and everything He continues to do. Trusting in His perfect plans and knowing that no matter what, He's always one step ahead of me and He knows what's good for me. And I'm so thankful for everything. So yeah, no matter where you are, I encourage you guys to take some time, go into nature, enjoy, the nicer weather is coming. Yes, there is still a little bit of snow in the back, as you can see. But I encourage you guys to get out, enjoy nature, enjoy the beautiful creations that God has created for us to enjoy. Hope you guys have a blessed day. God bless.